so excited for today. I hope you guys had a fabulous weekend. It was so good to talk to so many of you on Friday. We are going to jump right in right now to our math lesson for today. Alrighty. So, first, I just want to say again, we miss you so much. I miss you so much that over the weekend I decided to decorate my sidewalk with a message for you and get out my chalk. So then when I was going to put the chalk away to make sure that I had all of my pieces, I was about to start counting them. But then Giraffe Kipster popped into my brain. That's right. Remember from last Thursday, what did he teach us? He taught us about counting the Say10 Way. So I went through and I started to count the Say10 Way. Can you count it with me? Let's go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So remember, that is our first group of 10. So now we're not going to say 11. We're going to switch over and say 10, 1, because we've got our group of 10 here, and then 1. So 10, 1, 10, 2, 10, 3, 10, 4, 10, 5, 10, 6, 10, 7, 10, 8, 10, 9, 10, 10. Oh, I sure wish Kipster Giraffe was here to help us. So this is our second group of 10, and we got here. And now I'm like, is it 10, 10? Is that what you say? Maybe I could say 10, 10 because there's 10 and then 10. But I'm also looking here and I've got 1 10 and then 2 10. So I could also say 2 10. Kind of like that. 2 10. It's kind of like having 20 is 2 10s. 2 10. So it's, if I'm counting the regular way, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So 20 is really 2 10 or 10 10. 20 is made up of 2 10s. Oh my goodness. All right, let's pause for a second. My Kipsters. All right, so when I am looking at amounts and I'm trying to figure out how many I have, I'm trying to find that 10 group and then find the other piece to it. So if I have these sticks here, my Unifix cubes, I've got a group here and a group here. So I'm remembering that I think this is 10. We can double check, but I'm pretty sure this is 10 stick. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So I've got 10 here. And then remember, I'm switching over. 10 1, 10 2, 10 3, 10 4, 10 5. Awesome sauce. So then remember, if I'm writing that, it's so easy. I have my first number, which I said that was 10. And then my second number, which I said, which is, it's 5. So then I just write, oh my goodness, where's my brain? I'm writing it backwards for you guys. Hee hee. Try it again. I've got 10. There we go. And I've got 5. So we've got our number right here. We've got 10, 5. Awesome. All right, let's keep going. All right. Up next. So today we are going to practice counting objects that say 10 way to 20 and making a pile of 10. Making a pile for each 10. So we're basically just practicing one more time what we did the other day, making sure we're looking for those groups of 10 and counting the Say10 way. So remember, first we're going to count the math objects to 10. And then after 10, we're going to switch to counting to 10-1, 10-2, and so on. And then we write the last number that we say, 10-3. So we're going to switch up a little bit today. We're going to pick out the correct Say10 Way label for each picture. Before we do that, we want to make sure that we count it the Say10 Way so we know exactly what we're looking for and we're not just guessing looking at our options. All right. So right here, we have our cute little kitties coming out of donuts. Meow. And so let's count this in our little kitty meow voice. Let's go. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oop, that is our group of 10 right there. Let's circle back. 11, 12, 13, 14. Meow. Oh my goodness, I got so distracted by the kittens that I messed up. I didn't count the Say10 Way. Ay, let's go back. So we have our 10. I have to say what? Oh my goodness, thank you, Kipsters. Must be a Monday. 10-1, 10-2, 10-3, 10-4. So we've got 10-4 kittens. So now let's see. Oh, first option is 10-6. I don't think so. Ooh, 10-4, yep. 10-7, nope. Oh my gosh. And you guys got that before I did because I counted the wrong way. Now, one last thing I want to point out. I'm noticing here, this is really easy to tell for me that this is 10 because there's 5 on the top and 5 on the bottom right here. And I know that 5 and 5 makes 10, so that's a quick way that I can see that I have 10. All right, let's see what we have on our next page. Bye, little kittens. Meow. Ooh, race cars. Vroom, vroom. All right, same thing. I'm going to try to not forget that I'm counting the Say10 Way this time. That was so silly. All right, let's go. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have our group of 10. Now I'm going to switch over and I'm going to say, you got it. Thanks for the reminder. 10-1, 10-2. Vroom, vroom. Alrighty, let's see what we have down below. Oh, 10-3. Nope, it was 10-2. 10-5. Nope. It's a 5 and not a 2. 10-2. Definitely this one, right? Awesome. Thank you. All right. Vroom, vroom. Let's see. What do we have next? Ooh, yummy cupcakes. So, if you are noticing anything, is that we have our groups of 10 today organized in like our 5 groups. So we've got 5 on top and 5 on the bottom, and so I know that makes 10. So I'm going to skip over counting that and just be like, I know that's a 10 because it's 5 and 5. Easy peasy. And then just switch right over here to counting the 10 way. 10-1, 10-2, 10-3, 10-4, 10-5, 10-6, 10-7, 10-8, 10-9. Bum, bum, bum. So let's see, what do we have down below? Oh, first one is 10-9. Let's check our other options just to be sure. 10-8. Nope, we definitely counted 9 over here. 10-7. Yep, 10-9 right here. Go ahead and take a bow for that. All right, one more. If I add one more cupcake, can you tell me what's happening here? We had 10-9 last time. Now we have, ooh, let's see. Is it 10-10 or 2-10? Well, we've got 1-10 right there. Let's count over here. We've got 10-1, 10-2, 10-3, 10-4, 10-5, 10-6, 10-7, 10-8, 10-9, 10-10. So now I'm looking at it. We've got 10, 10, or I can call it 2 10. So 1 10, 2 10. All right. Which one of these is the correct answer? Did you pick that middle one? 10, 10, or on the top it says 2 10. 10, 9, nah. 10, 0, nah. We've got 2 10, so I need to show that. 10, 10. Awesome sauce. All right, so remember, Kipster Giraffe wants us to remember that when we're counting, it's so fun to count the Say 10 way to show that we've got a group of 10 and then the ones. So 10 1, 10 2, 10 3, 10 4, 10 5, 10 6, 10 7, 10 8, 10 9. And then I can say either 10 10 or 2 10. All right, Kipsters had a fabulous job counting with you today, the Say 10 way. And tomorrow, I think there's a pirate story for us. All right. Have a great rest of your Monday. I'll talk to you soon.